So here's what I made. I got tired of controlling my printer from a laptop, so I made this gadget. And what it does is it talks over Wi-Fi to the Octoprint's REST API, and it can control the printer. So if I press the button, it increases Z. And then star home Z. So that's all I have programmed in currently, because I just kind of got it working. But eventually I'm going to have all these buttons programmed to be able to jog the print head around, start a print, pretty much all the critical functions that I need to do to get a print going. I got tired of fumbling with the trackpad on a laptop and a mouse trying to click buttons and work with the printer. So this thing here is going to make it a lot easier. Oh, and it's completely wireless, runs on a LiPo battery, on-off switch, and if I plug in USB port, I can program it. And also charge the internal battery. So, yep, and a nice little 3D printed case. There you go.